Do I need a sponsor if I want to be a permanent resident in the USA? As a prospective immigrant, there is a certain list of requirements you need to meet to apply for an immigration category in the United States. Once you know you are eligible to apply for an immigrant visa, either because you are relatives of US citizens, spouses, unmarried children under 21 years of age, and parents of US citizens 21 years of age and older, and unmarried sons and daughters of US citizens, married sons and daughters of US citizens, and brothers and sisters of US citizens 21 years of age and older, spouses and unmarried sons and daughters of lawful permanent residents, or, in some cases, prospect for agent employees in the USA. In either situation, you must need that your petitioner fulfills the requirements that a sponsor should have for your application to become a permanent resident in the US to be taken into the account. You can be a sponsor. A sponsor is required to be at least 18 years of age and domiciled in the United States, or its territories or possessions. The sponsor of this person needs to show that the applicant has adequate means of financial support and it's not likely to become a public charge. What does the sponsor need to do? He/she needs to complete an affidavit, which is a contract between the sponsor and the US government. Completing and signing Form I-864 makes you the sponsor. We can guide you in the process of filling out the I-864 form. What does the sponsor need to show in this contract? The sponsor must show that have enough income and/or assets to maintain you and the rest of his/her household. How can he prove that? By showing evidence of employment, income, or assets. The amount of income he must show depends on the number of people are on his household, plus you. See the link in the description of the income guidelines this person has to have. Responsibilities and duties as the sponsor. A sponsor who is not a US citizen must notify USCIS of his or her new address within 10 days of moving from his or her previous residence. USCIS might require your sponsor to appear for an interview or biometrics appointment to provide fingerprints, photographs, and/or signature at any time to verify his identity, obtain additional information, and conduct background and security checks, including a check of criminal history records maintained by the Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI), before deciding on your application, petition, or request. If you are required to provide biometrics at your appointment, you must sign an oath reaffirming that all the information in the affidavit was complete, true, and correct at the time of filling. If your sponsor knowingly and willfully falsifies or conceals a material fact or submits a false document with the affidavit, USCIS will deny your Form I-864 and may deny any other immigration benefit. In addition, your sponsor will face several penalties provided by law and may be subject to criminal prosecution. His obligation to support you will continue until you become a US citizen or can be credited with 40 qualification quarters of work in the United States. The obligation also ends if you or your sponsor dies or if you stop pursuing to be a lawful permanent resident in the USA. Important: divorce does not end the sponsorship obligation. Limitations and responsibilities as an applicant. Once you are sponsored, this affidavit may make you eligible for certain federal, state, or local means-tested public benefits because an agency that provides means-tested public benefits will consider your resources and assets as available to you when determining you're eligible for the program. If you receive one of the designated federal, state, or local means-tested public benefits, the agency providing the benefit may request your sponsor to repay the cost of those benefits, and that agency can sue you if the cost of the benefits provided is not repaid. Important: not all benefits are considered as means-tested public benefits. Programs not included. The following federal and state programs are not included as means-tested benefits: What if my sponsor petitioner doesn't meet the minimum requirements? If you have a joint sponsor, this person is required to be at least 18 years of age and domiciled in the United States or its territories or possessions. Your joint sponsor needs to file the I-864A form to complete your application. Find link of this form in the description. We hope this information helps, and let us know if you need some help in your process of filling your applications and affidavit. If you have any other questions about this topic, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching the video of MyVisaZoom. You can contact us in the following pages: Instagram, Facebook and YouTube at MyVisaZoom, send us a text message in WhatsApp or call us directly.